morning. Hope everybody's doing well today. Today is March 16th in our devotional. And this morning it says, light drives out darkness. 2 Samuel chapter 22, verse 29. You, Lord, are my lamp. The Lord turns my darkness into light. Psalm 139, verse 12. Even the darkness will not be dark to you. The night will shine like the day, for darkness is as light to you. 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 9. But you are a chosen people, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's special possession, that you may declare the praises of Him who called you out of darkness into His wonderful light. Ephesians chapter 5, verse 9. For this light within you produces only what is good and right and true. 1 John chapter 1, verse 5. This is the message we have heard from Him and declare to you. God is light. In Him there is no darkness at all. Isaiah chapter 42, verse 16. I will turn the darkness into light before them and make the rough places smooth. John chapter 1, verse 5. The light shines in the darkness, and the darkness can never extinguish it. Matthew 5, verse 16. Let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven. And at the bottom it says, children sometimes experience fear of the dark, but when they stay in the dark long enough, their eyes get used to it, and they can start forming salts. I'm probably not saying that word right. Jesus is the light that pushes darkness aside, but He calls you to be light. Light shows you everything, and nothing can hide. Don't become discouraged when others complain about your light. Perhaps they are uncomfortable with what they discover in their darkness. Keep shining. And keep shining, guys. Let God's light shine in you. That's a good one. That kind of touches home with me, because I tell you, recently, a few weeks ago, I was actually told by someone I love and care about dearly that they think I need counseling because I talk about God too much. Well, my counselor is in heaven, and I have the perfect counselor, and I'm quite sure He loves me talking about Him. But I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to try to get a video out today. Either today or tomorrow. But you all keep us in your prayers. You know, it's hard to do a video here in my living room. You know, the way my husband works and everything, it's hard to always to get a video out to you all, but I will definitely try my best to get a video out today. If not today, it'll be tomorrow. But I love you guys, and join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. And I do believe we will be there soon. Love you guys.